In this video, we are going to work on adjusting the z-value of a point cloud. So what I've done with my GNSS points is I actually just marked them from the point cloud, and I adjusted their z-values by about a half a foot, but not all equal. And this program is called CloudCompare. You can download it for free. Once I've imported the point cloud, I'll just drag the points file on here. And you have to be careful. I know that my points were actually labeled PENZ, XYZ, but your points are probably going to come in PNEZ, and you need to switch these values. So I do want the label for the point number 2, and I can click Apply All and Yes to All. And if I make those points really big, you'll be able to see them. And they're in there. So what I want to do is, maybe you already know the offset that you have vertically, but for me, I need to go ahead and calculate my offset. The way I measure that in CloudCompare is using this cloud-to-cloud distance tool. I highlight both the points and the cloud, and then I split the components. And then I say OK. And now, if I go over here and I say only show me the z distances, I can, I believe, turn on this height. We see we have some points that are down by 0.75 and some that are close to 0. I can also bring up this histogram, and I'm really looking at this mean, and it's about that half-foot low like I expected with 0.47. I think I have it funny in my head what direction the cloud needs to go for this, so I'm just going to do a little guess and check. I'm going to highlight the cloud. I'm going to select the translate and rotate. I'm going to turn off X and Y and rotation, and then I'll go here to the translation quantity. This number is going to be in the unit setting that your cloud came in at, so this is 0.25 feet. And let me try clicking it twice and see what direction that went. Once you've done this a couple times, you'll understand the backwards and forwards thing with the cloud moving. So I'm doing my distance calculator again, splitting the components. Say OK. I'll highlight the points. Okay, and I actually took it the wrong direction. So 1 second. I did 2 clicks at 0.25, so I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, because I think that's the direction I really wanted. And if I do this one more time, oh, and you know what? I think the mistake I made is I wasn't going down here each time and saying only show me the z. So let's see what the damage is now. 0.02 as the mean. So right here you could adjust it by 200ths. Be sure that you're selecting to show the z value, because where I kept seeing numbers that didn't make sense and I was going in circles was because I was showing an absolute distance made up of x, y, and z. Now that I've shifted the cloud, I can highlight it, I can say save. I can, instead of a CloudCompare project, I can just save it as an LAS, and maybe I would say shifted. You want to use the original scale. And that's it.